I was convinced the second I saw this image. I said, that's it.
Yeah, yeah.
So if it imploded,
It means it was crushed.
pressure,
Yes,
pressure
right.
It was
crush.
sealed when it went down, at least that
Right.
compartment was.
Right.
So it may have been flooding in the front.
Mixed emotions. Because I knew there were 70 people in that ship. That was not a great way to go. But again, the answer to what happened, which we had known about. So that was the good.